Good morning, T-Birds. It's Mo.
And it's Dolan, here with your Mount T news.
Today is Friday, April 13th, 2018, so get ready.
It's been 2 weeks since we had our big multicultural assembly here at Mount T.
It was a great day, and we thought we'd start today off with a recap of the event.
What's good, T-Birds? It's Dolan from Mount Tahoma News. Before spring break, we had Multicultural Week, and me and Mo put together a little bit of clips, and we hope you guys enjoy.
I want to lead with pride and love. I want to be someone that is looked up to by all the girls that don't feel like they can make it because they aren't pretty enough.
I want to be my weird self without feeling like I'm being judged by others. Our past is not...
I think the Multicultural Assembly is a big part of Mount Tahoma. It shows who we are, and it's a time where all our cultures can combine and just, you can dress as where you come from,
And what culture are you representing?
Hispanics.
We're representing South Korea.
We're in GSA, so we're going to recite a poem about the LGBT.
I representing the Middle Eastern culture.
I'm representing two cultures. There's actually deaf culture and Mexican culture.
Black people.
Are you excited for the Multicultural Week?
Yes, every year I'm excited. Yes, I am.
We're in K-pop class. Let's go, K-pop.
It's nice to see everyone so friendly about everyone else's backgrounds and stuff.
I feel very, very excited, and I feel very good because I will present my dance culture.
I feel like it's amazing, and it's really awesome. I can see some of the people are wearing clothes that are the same culture, but also a lot of different cultures too.
A long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it will.
Thank you for making this year's Multicultural Assembly one of a kind.
Now, what you need to know. Jostens will be delivering caps and gowns next Tuesday, April 17th, during both lunches.
The senior package, which includes a prom ticket, yearbook, and a senior breakfast, is only on sale for $65 until April 27th. After that, those things will cost a total of $92 purchased individually.
Now, let's get to Tao for the weekend weather report.
What's up, T-Birds? It's here with your weather forecast for our upcoming weekend. Alright, on Saturday, it's going to be a high of 56 and a low of 44, with a few of rainfall here and there, you feel me? And as you can see for Sunday, it's no surprise. Another day of rainfall, but with a high of 52 and a low of 39. But on our first day back from the weekend, it is going to be a high of 51 and a low of 40. This is T. Oh wait, so there you have it with your weather, ma'ams and sirs. This is T signing off. T-Birds.
Well, that does it for today's broadcast.
Let's go to Jayla for the final message.
What's up, T-Birds? It's Jayla here with your spooky final message. In the late 1970s and the mid-80s, more than 100 men died in their sleep. Until their quiet final moments, they were young and healthy. Their families were stunned. This is what Wes Craven's based his A Nightmare on Elm Street film on. He created a villain who is known by the name of Freddy Krueger. He is known to attack teens in their sleep. Stay woke and survive this Friday the 13th, T-Birds.
It's